Hi class, how are you today? So what's the lesson today? Yeah, we have today 5 beautiful words, right? So here you go. Who can say? Okay. Here you go. Start.
Nation, information, pronunciation,
Ha!
pronunciation.
With examples.
Check your pronunciation.
No, check your, not your. Your.
Your. Check your pronunciation.
Okay.
Education,
Education.
education. Presentation.
Say examples.
I have a great presentation today.
Past part is very low. I have a great presentation today.
I have a great
Not
presentation.
I have a ma. Aiba.
I have a great presentation today.
I have a great presentation today.
I have a great
Not I
presentation.
have. Aiba. Next.
I have
Next. Say this.
nation, information, presentation, education,
Not izu. Education.
education, presentation,
Presentation.
presentation,
P is not clear. It will be pa. Presentation.
nation. History is the life of nation. Information. We don't always get timely information.
We don't always get timely information.
Pronunciation. Check your pronunciation.
Not pronunciation, ma. It will be
Pronunciation.
pronunciation. Pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
Next.
Education. All people need education. Presentation. I have a great presentation
I
today.
have a great presentation today.
I have a great presentation today.
I have a great presentation today. So next.
Nation, information, pronunciation,
Loudly.
education, presentation.
You have to say loudly and with examples. With examples, you have to say with examples. Here you go.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this chance.
Welcome.
So today we're going to learn 5 correct pronunciations.
Good.
So let's get started. First of all, nation. For example,
No, it's nation.
No, it's nation.
Thank you.
Nation. For example, history is the life of nations. Number 2, information. For example, we don't always get timely information. Number 3, pronunciation. For example, check your pronunciation. Number 4, education. For example, our people need education. And the last one is number 5. Number 5 is presentation. For example, I have a great presentation.
I have a great presentation today. Next. Who wants to say? Go on.
Nation. History is the life of nation.
History is history.
History. Information. We don't always get timely information. Pronunciation. Check your pronunciation. Education. Education. Our people need education. Presentation. Presentation. I have a great presentation today.
Okay, thank you very much. Next.
Nation. History is
Not history, ma. It will be history.
history is the
Life of.
life of nations. information.
Then
We don't
pronunciation.
pronunciation, education, presentation.
Okay, here you go. You have to learn examples clearly, okay? So next, say, okay, go on. Start.
Nation, nation, history, the life of nation. Information, information. We don't always get timely information. Pronunciation, pronunciation. Check your pronunciation.
Your, not check your. Check your pronunciation.
Check your pronunciation. Education, education. Our people need education. Presentation,
Presentation.
presentation,
Look at me, look at me. Presentation.
presentation.
Very good, thank you. Here you go, the boys. Boys, you want to say? Okay, come on. Okay, start.
Thank you.
Go on. Young boy. How are you?
I'm great.
So do you like this?
You?
I'm always fine and dandy, you know.
Yes.
But in your class, I'm so happy.
Thank you, sir.
This is a great class.
Nation. For example, history is the life of nations.
To be more fast. History is the life of the nation.
Okay, sir. Information. For example, we don't always get
Not
timely
always.
information.
It will be always timely.
Always. Pronunciation.
Ha!
Pronunciation. Check, for example, check your pronunciation.
Very good.
Education. For example, our people need education.
Education.
Education. Presentation. I have a great presentation today.
Thank you. Thank you. Go on.
Number 1, nation. Nation. For example, history is the
Not
life
history, Baba. It will be history.
History is the life of nations. Information. Information. For example, we don't always get time with information. Pronunciation. For example, check your pronunciation.
Check your. Check
Check
your.
pronunciation.
Okay.
Education. Education. For example, our people need education. Presentation. Presentation. For example, I have great presentation today.
Presentation. Okay, here you go. Next. So, there you go. Okay, you want to say?
Yeah.
Go on.
Nation.
Not sun. It will be shun.
Nation.
Yeah, very good.
Nation.
Here you go.
Nation.
Shun.
Nation. History of the life of nations. Information. Information. For example, we don't always get timely information. Pronunciation. Pronunciation. For example, check your pronunciation.
Not
Edu-
sun. Still, you have a problem. You have to overcome it. Okay. Here you go. Here you go. So next, wanna say? Wanna say? Wanna say? Wanna say? There are a lot of people wants to say. There you go.
Nation, information, pronunciation,
No, you have to push on P.
pronunciation,
Right. Good job.
education,
Very good.
presentation,
That's beautiful. Next, who wants to say?
Nation.
Look at me.
Information.
Very good.
Pronunciation.
Oh, still you have a problem. We made a video, man. Pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
Good.
Education.
Good.
Presentation.
Yes. It's done? Okay. Oh, you want to say?
Yes.
Go on.
Nation. information, pronunciation, education, presentation,
That's beautiful. What's to say? Okay, anyone?
nation, information, pronunciation,
Superb.
education,
Good.
presentation,
Beautiful. Next. Here you go. Here you go. Drop the microphone. Okay, who? Go on. Say.
nation, information, pronunciation, education, presentation.
Good job. Where is your sister? Where's she? Oh, over there. Do you want to say? Do you want to say? Yes or no? Do you want to say? No? It's okay. Make a handshake. Okay. She's a little kid. A baby. Okay.
Nation. For example,
Not like that. For example, you drop your tune. You have to be on track. For example, yeah.
history is the life of nation. Information. We don't always get timely information.
Timely.
Timely,
Timely.
timely,
Timely.
timely. Pronunciation. Check you. Pronunciation. Education. Our people need education. Presentation. I have a great presentation today.
Ah, good job. Drop. Anyone? So? Who? Okay, go on.
Nation, information, pronunciation, education, presentation.
Presentation. Okay, so guys, you have to practice, okay? Bye-bye.